guys, today I am unboxing my second advent calendar of the year. Today's is from Glossy. Let's get straight into it. If you don't want to see any spoilers, then look away now, because I am going to be revealing every single day in this 25-day advent calendar box. So the price of this box is £105, but the contents are worth £540. That is an amazing saving on some beauty products. And if you are a Glossy Box subscriber, you can get this box for £85, which is an absolute bargain. So the box is so beautiful. It's kind of like marble based with some gold foiling. It opens up into this drawer system, which again I absolutely love, because you could reuse this, you could repurpose it every year, or just use it as like a little storage system. You could definitely, like, yeah, keep makeup brushes or lipsticks or jewellery in here when you're not opening it. So yeah, then each drawer has all these little boxes and they're all scrambled up, so this might take a while. Number one, be in the top one here. Oh god, I'm too short. Okay, yeah, it's in here. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Door number one. So we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This is anti-aging. Elemis do great cleansers. I use the oil balm cleanser sometimes, and it's really beautiful for taking heavy makeup off with. Perfect for sticking in your makeup bag for when you're traveling. That is another reason I am obsessed with advent calendars, the beauty ones, because you get the little sample sizes, which are so cute and really perfect for traveling with. I'm also going to tell you the cost of everything, because it comes with this catalogue. You can see more info about each product and also see how much it's worth. So a Dulux Mini worth £16. Woo! Day number two. Ooh. Oh, it's a little palette. Cute. So all of the boxes have this like recycling bag stuffer in it, and this is the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two. It's a blush and bronzer duo. Here we go, and it looks like this. I haven't heard of this brand before, so it'll be nice to try something new. Again, perfect for traveling this, because it means you can take just one product instead of two for your blush and your bronze. And this palette retails at £25.50. Oh my god, there's a second layer. Oh my god, I've just discovered 25, guys. Door number three, we have an eye mask. It's pink and it looks silky. Let's have a feel of it. Oh yeah, that's so soft. This is from a brand called Glove. This retails at £6.90. Number four. Whoa, whoa, what is that? That looks like a torture device. Sarah Chapman, the facelift. It is a contour, sculpt and define tool. Sarah Chapman is a brand that I've used a few times. The products are really expensive. It looks like this, and I guess you use it to, like, oh yeah, it feels good there. Massage and define your face. Brightens, tightens, drains toxins and reduces puffiness through boosting of vital nutrients and oxygen to the skin. And it has a little like guide here as to how to use it as well. If facial massage and kind of contouring the natural way is something that you're really interested in, little torture device might be a good way to go. The cost of this is £30. Right, in day number five, I have a cat walking past. Ignore the big bushy tail. Hyaluronic Algin Retinol Palmate 8-hour retexturizing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum from a brand called Avant. I haven't heard of this brand before. Whoa! So a full size of this product is worth £89. I would never have spent that much money on a product without trying it, so this is a great way to try it before you buy. In door number six, we have Molton Brown, my faves, the Heavenly Ginger Lily Bath and Shower Gel from Molton Brown. This is bigger than your regular mini from Molton Brown. It's 100ml, whereas the standards are like 50ml. The Heavenly Ginger Lily scent is gorgeous. This size retails at £10 and full size is £22. Me and my mum are the biggest Molton Brown fans. We just go mad for them. Door number six, I've got to say, even though it's quite annoying for this video, it is quite fun to have to like look through every drawer, find the day. It keeps kind of suspense and tension high. Where is day number six? Did I just open? Oh, I did. Okay, seven. Day number seven, we have a Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. I love a hair mask. I love anything that helps moisturize my hair, make it feel thicker and more healthy, so I'm looking forward to trying that. That is worth £9 for this mini, and the full size is worth £25. In day number 8, pencil, the W7 Super Brows Super Definition Eyebrow Pencil. Love that. Has a little spoolie at one end so you can kind of soften it and lighten it. That is worth £2.95. In number 9, we have an eyeliner from Ico. I love this eyeliner. I love Ico. This is a really great one. It's really pigmented, it's nice and black, and it is worth £16. In day number 10, we have a James Read Gradual Tan De-Aging Multi-Action Gradual Tan Deluxe Mini, worth £15, full size worth £30. Number 11, we have a Pixie Glow Tonic. I love brand Pixie and I love their glow tonic, so if you haven't tried this, you're in for a right treat. This is a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. Ditch your exfoliators with all the bits in and go for an acid one instead. You will see the benefits very quickly. This helps make your skin brighter and more glowy. That is £10. Day number 12. This is a Vitamask Slip Mask, Plump and Repair. That is worth £4.99. Day number 13. Laura Geller Makeup Brush, Touch Up All Over Face Brush. So perfect for powder, perfect for just carrying it around in your handbag to touch up on the go. Very handy. I like the size, it's nice and compact. Number 14 is a heavy one. Healing Mask from a brand called E-Cooking. I've never heard of them before. A Deluxe Mini worth £11.10, full size is £37. Eliminate dull skin and unveil a smooth radiant visage with this miracle mask. I do like a mask that you can peel off. It is the most satisfying thing. Doesn't smell like anything, which is good as well, so it doesn't have added unnecessary fragrance to it. Oh, it's just started really raining, so sorry if you can hear the pitter patter on the windows. In day number 15, we have some Magnitone Wipeout Swipes. These are eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Removes makeup just with water. I love stuff like this. I really love the brand Face Halo. They are amazing for removing makeup, like even mascara without any cleanser or oil on it. So this, yeah, feels quite similar. It looks like this. It's very soft and you just add water. So, oh, there's 2 of them in there. Cute. I'm going to give those a go. Anything that helps promote not using like disposable face wipes or cotton pads, anything like that is good. They are worth £7, or you can get a full size 6-pack for £15, which is actually a really good price. I think Face Halo are a little bit more expensive than that. In day number 16, we have a Steve Laurent lip liner. Cool. I haven't heard of this brand before either, but it is £10.70. It is a nice kind of brown lip shade that I don't know if I would wear a colour that dark. It's called Uptown, but I would definitely give it a go. Day number 17 is Huge. Another torture looking device here from a brand called Bouclium, a scalp massager. It's worth £12. I actually do have one of these in my shower, not from this brand. As you're adding your shampoo, I like to, yeah, just give your scalp a little massage. I think it helps increase like blood and oxygen to the scalp to encourage hair growth and to really make sure you're getting a nice deep wash. And yeah, this one has a nice kind of like slip thing, so your hands aren't going to fall around all over the shop, because I feel like the one I've got, I always drop it and it makes such a crash. Day number 18, a Zoeva Infinite Potential Mascara Full Volume. I really love Zoeva. I haven't tried their products in quite a few years though. I used to be a big fan of their palettes. So I'm looking forward to trying this mascara. It looks like this. It looks actually a little bit like the L'Oreal Paradise mascaras. And this is £15. Number 19, we've got a This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I have one of these next to my bed in my bedside table. It is a really gorgeous fragrance of relaxing lavender and chamomile to help you relax and sleep better and sleep deeper. So this is a really nice pillow spray just to get you in the mood of calm. I love it a lot. Number 20, this is a brand called Larizzi Cosmetics. Another brand I haven't heard of before, which is great. This is a full-size liquid lipstick. in a shade called Pink Mauve, which looks like this. I love a liquid lipstick, and this is worth £14, and apparently it's a cult favourite as well. It says here that there are different shades available in each box, so some of you might get a different colour to that. Number 21, Bath Crumble in Pink Grapefruit. It is vegan friendly. Pour a generous amount under warm running water and your bathroom will be filled with fragrance. From a brand called Bubble Tea. I have heard of those. This is worth £4.99. Day number 23, we have a Verso Nourishing Cream with niacinamide. Heard of them, but I haven't tried before. But niacinamide is a great ingredient for helping with blemishes and to helping clear your skin. This mini 15ml is worth £23.20. That is super expensive, and a full size is worth £80. So again, a very nice way to experiment with more luxury skincare. Day number 23, we have cute. I love a mini product. This is a mini Illamasqua lipstick, guys. Look how tiny it is. This shade is Mini Antimatter Lipstick in the shade Bang. I have tried this lipstick before and it is gorgeous. It's a nice pinky nude. Oh, I'm gonna put it on now. Very, very similar to the colour I'm wearing already, but a little more matte. Ignore the huge spot on my lip, by the way. It is not food. This miniature size is worth £12 and the full size is worth £17. So quite a nice bargain there. Right guys, we've got 2 more left. Day number 24. So this is a Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is an illuminating ultimate glow primer. Rodial are primarily a skincare brand, I want to say. I haven't tried too many of their products, but the full size of this is worth £50. Woo! Perfect base for makeup, and it's got antioxidant benefits for healthy looking skin. And then in day number 25, was hiding at the bottom here. I know what this is already and I'm hyped about it. It's so exciting. So in day number 25, you get a full size Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited. I don't think I've ever tried Huda Beauty palette before, but I always see them in the department stores and I always go and like swatch and lust over them. For some reason I've just never treated myself to one. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette. The colours, oh my god, are to die for. Look at those. I love the shimmers. I love that there's a nice mix of kind of matte, neutral mattes and the more kind of brightish shimmery shades. Huge mirror, very nice and compact as well, so I'm so excited to try this out. I'd like to see some looks that I create with this. Keep watching my weekly vlogs or follow me on Instagram. That is everything guys. I'm really chuffed with that whole box. I think it's got a really nice selection of skincare, a couple of hair bits and makeup. It is such a great way to experiment with brands that you haven't necessarily heard or tried before. I'm gonna leave a link for it down below. I hope you've enjoyed this video and stay tuned because I have a few more advent calendar unboxings coming soon. Mwah!